Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'm just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 308. This particular car is a GT line with the 1.2 PureTech 130 brake horsepower petrol coupled with the E86 automatic gearbox. This car has done just over 9,600 miles and was registered 2018 on a 67 plate and is in pearl white. I hope you enjoy the video. Now we're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to pop down and have a look and have a drive of the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. Again, I hope you enjoy the video.